Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 coolest gadgets you can buy right now from Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some awesome new gear, this list has something for everyone. Let's get started. 10. 4K Tricolor Laser TV Projector. The 4K Tricolor Laser TV Projector represents the pinnacle of home entertainment technology, offering an unparalleled visual experience with stunning clarity and vibrancy. Unlike traditional projectors, this advanced device utilizes a cutting-edge tricolor laser system that delivers exceptional color accuracy and brightness, ensuring every image is sharp and true to life. With its 4K resolution, it provides 4 times the detail of Full HD, making it perfect for watching movies, sports, and gaming in breathtaking detail. The projector's laser technology not only enhances color performance but also extends the lifespan of the device, reducing the need for frequent bulb replacements. Additionally, its sleek, compact design allows it to seamlessly integrate into any living space without dominating the room. Easy to set up and use, this projector offers a high-quality, immersive viewing experience right in the comfort of your home, transforming your entertainment environment into a cinematic paradise. 9. Moonwalker Shoes. Moonwalker shoes represent a revolutionary approach to footwear, combining advanced technology with exceptional comfort to enhance everyday experiences. Designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic, these shoes incorporate cutting-edge features such as memory foam insoles and ergonomic sole designs that adapt to the wearer's unique foot shape. The shoes are engineered to provide superior cushioning and support, reducing fatigue and promoting proper posture throughout the day. Additionally, Moonwalker shoes often use breathable, moisture-wicking materials to keep feet cool and dry, making them ideal for both active lifestyles and casual wear. Their lightweight construction and stylish appearance ensure that they are not only functional but also fashionable, seamlessly blending performance with contemporary design. 8. Gecko Pod. The Gecko Pod is a groundbreaking piece of portable technology designed to enhance connectivity and convenience on the go. This compact, high-tech device acts as a versatile hub, integrating multiple functionalities into one sleek package. At its core, the Gecko Pod serves as a powerful power bank, providing reliable and rapid charging for various electronic devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Additionally, it features built-in connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing users to stay connected to the internet and pair with other devices seamlessly. The Gecko Pod also includes a suite of smart features, such as a user-friendly interface for managing battery life and connectivity settings, and advanced security protocols to protect your data. 7. Luxifer Switch. The Luxifer Switch is an innovative productivity tool designed to help professionals manage their workspace and enhance focus. This compact, user-friendly device integrates seamlessly into your work environment, offering a range of customizable features to signal your availability and improve communication. The Luxifer Switch typically functions as a visual status indicator, using bright LED lights to clearly communicate when you are busy, available, or in need of uninterrupted work time. It can be easily synchronized with various productivity and communication tools, such as Slack or Microsoft Teams, to automatically update your status based on your calendar or activity. The device's sleek design allows it to be placed on your desk or mounted on your monitor, blending effortlessly with your workspace. 6. Jet Blower. A jet blower is a high-performance, versatile tool designed for rapid and efficient air movement, making it ideal for a variety of cleaning and maintenance tasks. Utilizing powerful jet propulsion technology, these blowers generate a concentrated stream of air that can clear debris, dust, and leaves from hard-to-reach areas with ease. Jet blowers are commonly used in both residential and industrial settings, from clearing driveways and sidewalks to maintaining large outdoor spaces or equipment. They often feature adjustable speed settings, allowing users to tailor the airflow intensity to the specific job at hand. Lightweight and ergonomic, jet blowers are designed for comfortable use over extended periods, reducing user fatigue. Many models also come with detachable nozzles or extensions to enhance versatility and precision. Whether you're tackling yard work, workshop cleanup, or simply need to remove dust from delicate electronics, a jet blower offers a powerful and efficient solution for a wide range of applications. 5. LED Flashlight Gloves. LED flashlight gloves are a revolutionary accessory designed to combine illumination with hands-free convenience, making them ideal for a variety of tasks in low-light conditions. These innovative gloves feature built-in LED lights embedded in the fingertips or palm, providing focused, bright light right where you need it. This hands-free lighting solution is perfect for activities such as camping, hiking, repairing vehicles, or working in dark or confined spaces. The gloves are typically made from durable, breathable materials that offer a comfortable fit while ensuring flexibility and dexterity. Many models come with adjustable straps to ensure a snug fit and are powered by batteries or rechargeable cells. The LED lights are often adjustable or have different settings to suit various lighting needs. 4. Foldable Laptop Desk. A foldable laptop desk is a versatile and practical piece of furniture designed to enhance comfort and productivity while working or studying. Its compact and collapsible design makes it ideal for those with limited space or who need a portable workspace. When in use, the desk provides a stable and ergonomic surface for your laptop, with features such as adjustable height and angle to suit your preferred working posture. Many foldable laptop desks come with additional conveniences like built-in cooling fans, storage compartments, or integrated mouse pads to streamline your workspace. The lightweight construction and easy folding mechanism ensure that the desk can be quickly set up or stored away, making it perfect for small apartments, home offices, or traveling. 3. Universal Gamepad. A universal gamepad is a highly adaptable and versatile controller designed to enhance gaming experiences across a wide range of devices and platforms. This type of gamepad is engineered to be compatible with various systems, including PCs, consoles, and even mobile devices, providing a seamless gaming experience without the need for multiple controllers. Featuring a standard layout with responsive buttons, analog sticks, and triggers, the universal gamepad ensures precise control and comfort during extended gaming sessions. Many models also include programmable buttons, customizable settings, and ergonomic designs to cater to different gaming preferences and styles. Some advanced versions support wireless connectivity, offering freedom of movement without the clutter of cables. Additionally, the universal gamepad often comes with built-in support for popular gaming platforms, making it a practical choice for gamers who enjoy playing across different devices. With its broad compatibility and user-friendly features, the universal gamepad is a valuable addition to any gamer's setup, simplifying and enriching the gaming experience. 2. All-in-one charging cable. An all-in-one charging cable is a highly convenient accessory designed to streamline your charging needs by consolidating multiple cables into a single versatile unit. This type of cable typically features multiple connectors or interchangeable tips that support various devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other electronics. Common connectors include USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, allowing you to charge different devices without needing separate cables. Many all-in-one charging cables are designed with durable, tangle-free materials and come in compact, retractable forms for easy storage and portability. Some models even include features like fast charging capabilities and built-in cable management to keep your workspace organized. The versatility of an all-in-one charging cable makes it ideal for travelers, minimalists, and anyone looking to reduce clutter. By offering a single solution for multiple charging needs, this cable ensures you stay connected and powered up without the hassle of juggling numerous cables. 1. NANK Runner Diver 2 Pro. The NANK Runner Diver 2 Pro is a high-performance smartwatch designed to cater to the needs of both serious athletes and adventure enthusiasts. This advanced wearable combines robust functionality with sleek design, offering a range of features to enhance your fitness and outdoor experiences. It typically includes advanced GPS capabilities for precise tracking of your runs, hikes, and dives, along with comprehensive health monitoring tools such as heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, and blood oxygen measurement. The Diver 2 Pro is often equipped with a durable, water-resistant construction, making it suitable for underwater activities and harsh weather conditions. Additionally, it features a high-resolution display for clear visibility in various lighting conditions and supports a range of sports modes and customizable metrics to track your performance. With its long battery life, intuitive interface, and rugged design, the NANK Runner Diver 2 Pro is an excellent companion for those seeking reliable performance and versatility in their fitness and outdoor pursuits. That's it for today's top 10 coolest gadgets you can buy right now from Amazon. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.